Salam, and I hope everyone's doing well. As you can see, the X5's in pieces, the exhaust is off, and we changed the subframe bushings right here, and I changed the hydraulic suspension to a proper suspension, and there was also a leak which you can't really see, but it's been fixed. And we also changed the axle. This is a brand new one. Believe it or not, it's considerably cheaper to get it from not Saudi. That's all I'm about to say. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And don't worry, before we're done, since the exhausts are out, we are gonna start it straight pipe just to see what it sounds like. I do have headers for it, but unfortunately I can't find a four-wheel drive dyno. So once I find that, we'll install the headers, and I honestly cannot wait. And mad props and thanks to OgieNawa for making this happen. He is a master.